Hi, welcome back to RTC. In today's video, I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen to your PC if you accidentally deleted System32 files in Windows. By the way, if you have not subscribed yet, just click the subscribe and like button. So let's start. Let's proceed to System32 folder, and let's try to delete some of the files. Now, let's check the deleted System32 files in the recycle bin. Then we will restart the PC, and let's check if the PC will open without the deleted System32 files. This will be the error we got if we accidentally deleted a file from System32 on your Windows PC. When PC starts, it will automatically have a repair loop problem. It will no longer be able to start up. This is because many critical system files are stored in that folder. Without those files, your computer won't be able to boot up properly. To fix this, you will need to use recovery tools or Windows installation media like a disk or USB device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the notification bell as well as the like and subscribe. You can also share this with a friend by clicking the share button. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.